Today I'm going to walk you through adding text to your images or videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to it, no worries, I'll make it easy. First things first, make sure you're on the Edit page by clicking down there. Also, have the Media Pool and Effects tab selected at the top left. The Media Pool is where you import your stuff and effects. Well, that's where the magic happens. Now, import your image or video into the Media Pool. Just right-click or hit Command+I on Mac. Drag it onto your video track in the timeline. Nice, you're set up. Head over to the Effects panel. Click the Toolbox drop-down and pick Titles. We're keeping it simple, so choose Basic Text. Drop it onto your media file in the timeline. Adjust how long the text stays by dragging the ends in or out. Now the fun part. Click on your text to highlight it. See that Inspector tab up top? Click it. This opens a bag of goodies. Change the text by typing away. Adjust the font, size, tracking, alignment, whatever floats your creative boat. And yes, you can even add cool stuff like outlines or shadows. That's it! You just added text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, consider hitting subscribe for more tech goodness.